Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Rosina Sharon and today we're going to do an updated eyebrow tutorial. Very detailed, guys. All the things I have learned, I have added onto my knowledge so far onto this video. And before you do that, kindly subscribe, share your thoughts on the comment section down below. I'll be reading all of them kama kawaida. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Without further ado, let us go straight into the video. Okay, so just make sure your eyebrow area is very dry before you start lining. And for beginners, I would recommend you line using an eye pencil instead of an eyebrow gel. Okay, and if the eyebrow area is oily, you can just take a bit of a bar soap and just place on it, dry it with a towel, dry towel. Okay, now how you hold your mirror while you're lining is very important. Okay, don't hold it just right in front of your face. What you're going to do instead is take your mirror, place it down. Okay, down. Do you see at that angle? It has to be angled like that. Okay, and then if you're going to line your, is that on the left side of the face, left side, you're going to lift your face up and then tilt gently on the left side, so at least you can be able to penetrate that area very nicely when you're lining. Okay, same goes for the right side of the face. You're going to tilt your face up and then bring it sideways to the right, depending on where you're lining. Okay, so at least it's easier for you to penetrate that area. Okay, all right, now that you know how to hold a mirror, let us move on to lining. So you're going to use two brushes. You're going to start off with a spoolie. This is how it looks. Okay, and a flat brush to clean. Okay, and the flat brush is normally, do you see that, very flat on both sides, flat on the upper side as well. So on the upper side it's a bit angled, just slightly angled. Okay, not too angled though, but make sure it is very flat. Okay, we're not using an angled brush, it's a flat brush. Okay, it's not too angled, flat brush. And this size is actually perfect. Don't go for a very small size. Okay, at least medium, if that makes sense, medium. And it should be very flat as instructed in the video. So please avoid using an angled brush like this one. This won't do the job well. Okay, especially if you're a beginner, avoid that. So always start lining the lower side before you line the upper side. So you're starting off by brushing the eyebrows upwards before you start lining the lower side. Now to line, we're going to use Davis number 3. This is a dark brown eye pencil. Guys, please avoid using black unless your skin tone is very dark. Okay, do you guys see that? This is Davis. The shade number is 3, and make sure the edge is as sharp as it can get. Okay, don't use a blunt eye pencil. If it is blunt, go and sharpen it again. Now see how you hold a pen. Okay, like you hold a pen, you just mimic that and then turn the eye pencil so it faces you like that. Okay, so that is how you're going to hold the eye pencil while you line. Don't hold it like at an angle. It's going to give you a lot of shade and you don't want that. So now where to start lining the lower side of the brow, you're going to fold the corner of the nose straight up. You're going to place the first dot there. Okay, corner of the nose straight up. Now where to start carving the lower side of the brow, okay, you have to be looking straight ahead and then straight ahead. Don't give your eyes any angle, just straight ahead. Okay, so you can look straight into your mirror and then you're going to follow where your pupil ends. Okay, angle it where your pupil ends, again straight up, placing that dot on the inner side. So it guides you on where exactly you're going to start carving. So your curve should start where your pupil ends while you're facing in front. Okay, like that. Now where to stop lining the lower side of the eyebrow, you're going to follow your lower lash line in that angle as instructed, placing your last dot there. Now for this, you're also going to be facing in front. Okay, and guys, remember how you're going to angle your face while you're lining. Place the mirror down, do not raise your eyebrows, relax the eyebrows as you line. Okay, this is very important. Don't raise them up, they're going to give you a very different shape when you do that. Okay, so again, remember how you're going to angle your face. Okay, tilt it a bit up and then facing the side where you're going to line. So you're just going to follow those 3 dots when it comes to lining the lower side. So from the first dot to the second dot. Okay, and then guys, as you curve it down, okay, as you curve it down, let me tell you guys a technique. Okay, that curve should come in and then out, in and then out, like you're going to lift it in and then curve it out, in an outwards angle, guys, in an outwards angle. So what I meant by you're going to curve it, you see, you bring it up a bit and then curve it. So you again curve it inwards and then angle it outwards, if that makes sense. Okay, so on the outer corner, don't bring it down like that. Okay, you're going to at least space out the outer corner. So that is why I say when you're carving, you curve it in an outwards angle towards the outer corner. Now for the upper side of the brow, remember we started off by brushing the eyebrows upwards. So what you're going to do is you're going to level the brows. Okay, so you're just going to place your spoolie straight sideways like that and just, you know, flatten the upper side, if that makes sense. Okay, now around the inner corner, you're going to leave a bit of space. Don't start it directly around the inner corner, leave a bit of space there. So you're going to place a dot there, so at least there is a bit of space around the inner corner. Now where you're going to start curving the upper side, remember where your eyebrow starts curving on the lower side, where it starts curving, not where it's already curved. Where it starts curving, you're going to place a dot directly above there, so at least it guides you on where exactly you're going to start curving the upper side as well. Okay, so that is just going to be your guideline on where exactly to curve the upper side. So you're just going to connect those two dots first. Now when you're connecting the two dots, make sure it's more of a straight line or a very slight angle, guys. Don't make it too angled. Okay, now for this one, you can place your mirror directly in front of your face. Okay, now you can bring the mirror up directly in front of your face like that, and then connect the two dots. Again, make sure it's a very slight angle, not too angle. Now to curve, guys, to curve, don't bring it just one straight line coming down to curve. You're going to, again guys, you're going to bring it up a bit. Okay, up then curve. I don't know if that makes sense. Up, curve, and slightly, don't bring it too up. And then before we start filling in, you're going to use a bar soap, wet it with water, then you're going to rub on it until that thick white foam forms there. Thick white foam, not the liquidy one. Take your spoolie and then you're going to take some of the thick white foam using the spoolie, guys. Okay, take some of that thick white foam like that and then use it to brush through the brows before you start filling in. Now you're going to place your brush like in that angle, sideways angle like that. Again, guys, remember how you angle your face, okay, and where you place your mirror. So again, around the inner corner, you're going to brush them upwards, okay, starting from the lower side up. And here you're going to apply a bit of force, so at least that product's I don't know how to explain it, guys, but at least the product is fixated on the eyebrows, if that makes sense. Okay, they become one with the eyebrows. You're going to have to apply a bit of force. So around the inner corner, you're going to brush it upwards. As you go towards the outer corner, use the tip of the spoolie just to make sure those eyebrow hairs don't go above the line on the upper side or below the line on the lower side. And then after that, you're going to use a flat side of the brush. Press them eyebrows in, guys, and you're starting from the lower side in a circular motion. Lift it, press, circular motion, lift it like that, and then allow for that soap to dry out completely. Let the soap dry out completely first before you start filling in. Now before you start filling in, make sure your eyebrow is sharp, not blunt, and then you're going to start from the outer corner using gentle strokes, and those strokes are going to face the direction of the eyebrows, or rather the shape of the eyebrows. So don't raise your eyebrows, again, relax the brows. Starting from the outer corner, gentle strokes like that. So you're going to start the gentle strokes on the lower side of the brow as you go, just slightly up, not all the way up, okay? Starting from the lower side of the brow and then facing the direction of the brow. So if the brow is curved, towards the outer corner is curved on the right, you're going to face the gentle strokes facing the right side. So at least they are one with the brow, okay? So you're starting from the lower side and then you see that? Gentle strokes from the lower side, and then you're connecting after that, connect it from the middle up. I don't know if that makes sense, guys, like that. And you're going to focus that on mainly the areas you feel like there is a space where your natural eyebrows are very, very visible. Leave that area alone. So we're just mimicking the natural eyebrows. And guys, for this, use very little force, okay? Very, very little force. And that is why I said gentle strokes. Don't use too much force, very little force. So it just mimics the natural eyebrow like that. Okay, very little force, guys. Emphasis on very little force, just like that. Okay, so when you're done, your eyebrows should be looking natural. Okay, guys, we don't want a very thick eyebrow, neither do we want a very dark eyebrow. We want a natural looking brow, okay, mimicking your natural hairs. So after that is when you're going to use a concealer 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. For me, I normally use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I do not have it today, so I'm just going to use the Golden Lip. Make sure it is 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Not 3 shades, not 4 shades lighter. Just 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Okay, and then for this, you're going to use the angled brush. Okay, the flat, not the angled brush, the flat brush. Sorry, guys, the flat brush. So you're going to place the product on the left side of the whatever hand there. And then how to apply the product on the brush, you're going to apply it side to side. Apply the product side to side. Don't dip the brush onto the product. We want the product concentrated on the side of the brush, not on the tip of the brush. Okay, if it is on the tip of the brush, that is when it leaves a white thick line just below your eyebrows. Don't do that. Okay, we don't want a line just below, a thick line just below your eyebrows. Okay, so make sure the product is concentrated on the side of the brush. When it comes to holding the brush, don't hold it too close to the bristles. Give the bristles a bit of a distance, okay? And hold it how you normally hold a pen, and just again tilt your hand like this so the brush faces your hand. Or alternatively, let me teach you guys the technique I use. You're going to place the brush in between these 2 fingers, the middle finger and the index finger, and then you're going to use the thumb on the other side of the hand as a support, just to support the brush on the other side, okay? So when you tilt your hand, this is how it is, okay? So you're going to use the middle finger and place it just around the nose here like that, so at least your hand does not move. It is very, very stable all the way. And when you're cleaning the eyebrows, guys, do not raise the eyebrows, relax the eyebrows, and remember how you angle your face. I've already taught you that. Again, you see that you can use the middle finger as a support there, so once you start cleaning, it is stable all the way like that, okay? And take your time, guys. Take your time. You can close one eye. It's normally very, very easier for me when I have closed one eye, so it does not distract me, or it does not mess up with my hand movement when I'm blinking. Okay, and then you're going to leave a bit of space around the inner corner when you're cleaning the eyebrow, guys, with the concealer. Around the inner corner you leave a bit of space, around the outer corner you leave a bit of space. So what you're going to use around the inner corner and the outer corner is a foundation that matches your skin tone. Okay, we started off with a concealer 2 shades lighter on the other side, but on both corners, the inner corner and outer corner, you're going to use a foundation. So take the same brush you were using, just wipe off the excess product on the brush, and use that same brush to take the foundation, sorry. And when you're cleaning with the foundation, make sure that line blends into the line of the concealer, both on the inner corner and the outer corner, okay? Just like that. So we're using foundation on the inner corner and outer corner like that, so it's easier for you to blend later on. And then after that, remember to drag the product down. Okay, if you're a beginner, I would recommend you drag it sideways, not downwards, sideways like that. Okay, drag the product down. This step is very, very important. Drag it down, drag the product down. Okay, and then after you're done dragging down the product, you can use your finger just to tap on the edges, both inner corner and outer corner, to blend that product in before it dries out. Okay, just like that. Tap, both inner corner and outer corner. Okay, like that. And then after, you can use a round fluffy brush, very, very fluffy brush, okay, to blend in that product immediately after you're done. So it's easier for you to blend later on, guys. This step is very, very important. Don't leave the product just there, seated there, like we don't want it seated. Blend it in. Tap to blend. Okay, before that product dries out completely. So immediately after you're done, tap it in and keep tapping until it blends in. Okay, like that. We don't want any harsh line just below the eyebrow, just like that. Now on the upper side, guys, I do not myself, just a personal preference, I don't clean the upper side, but if you must, again, wipe off the excess product from the brush. Don't apply any more product on that brush. Don't apply foundation, don't apply nothing. You're still a beginner, and use that brush. Believe me, it is going to work to clean the upper side like that. Okay, and it is going to clean. You don't need to use a lot of product making it look like it's so drawn in. We want the eyebrows to look as natural as it can get, okay? And I feel like that is it for today. I feel like this tutorial has been very, very detailed, guys. If you don't know how to do your eyebrows after this, and eyebrows require a lot of practice, guys, okay? So when you learn like this, keep practicing, and one step at a time. When I'm teaching how to line the lower side, you learn how to line the lower side like that, okay? And keep practicing until you get it. Until next time, guys, please subscribe. Bye.